Good day to everyone. My name is Saurabh. I'm coming from Mumbai. Today was a fantastic day for me because I visited one of the wonderful Cordyceps labs, which is in Ahmedabad, and I got opportunity to meet Mr. Prem and also Mr. Anurag. So they gave us a tremendous amount of information about how to grow the crop, how to grow the cordyceps, what are the challenges, what we're gonna face. The lab which you see behind me is the lab which they are growing the cordyceps plants, and we also came across a lot of obstacles where we had 100% doubt about should we do this, should we not do this. So a lot of questions were answered in a very systematic, knowledgeable way, where there is a lot of clarity now in my head, and soon probably I'll be a part of them. As I pointed out the lab behind me when I was outside, now we are into the growing lab. So this is the place where we actually cultivate the cordyceps, and where you can see behind me there is different stages of cordyceps. This is the stage 3 where we are almost there here to cultivate this crop. But my point over here to drive your attention is not about the growing, because this is an knowledge which is going to be provided to you by PFPU and the Shrimp Beauty. But the very major highlight which I'm going to do right now is there is no wastage in this production. For example, a lot of cultivators might even think that if I start this journey of growing cordyceps, what about the losses? So the best part about PFPU and Shrimp Beauty is they are experienced, they have 20+ years of experience, where they will also train you is in the process. If the crop, for example, let me just demonstrate you. Let's take this jar for example. You see there is cordyceps growing here, but there is a little contamination which is happening in this area. If this happens with you, now the other people who are there in the industry will ask you to dispose this because it is a waste. But according to PFPU and Shrimp Beauty, we can use this as the substrate which is there. If it is completely contaminated also, still we have an option that they buy back this substrate from you and they make other bioproducts. So this is in case if this is entirely contaminated. But when you also harvest the cordyceps from this area, let's take a fresh jar, for example this one. So when you harvest the cordyceps from this part, there is a base which has remained down. Most of the cultivators, most of the company will ask you to throw this or dispose this, but they have a very fantastic edge cutting technology where they use this substrate to make a bioproduct out of it, and you can earn a revenue out of it. So this is basically a no loss business, which I have experienced in my 2 days training workshop. So I highly recommend you guys to come in, drop in. If you have a lot of questions, jot it down in your diary. Come in, feel free to ask Mr. Prem, feel free to ask Mr. Anurag. They are the most experienced people whom I ever found. I was researching for this opportunity for a very long time, and today I think that was the day. So the conclusion of my entire experience is I found it that I won't lose my money anywhere. All the obstacles or all the objections which I had, they have a proper educational answer towards it. So ladies and gentlemen, don't wait for long. Please come in and join us. Thank you.